Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and log in to the Wise app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Play Store app. Once the Play Store app opens up on your device, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in WISE and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, click on the Wise app. Now, the Wise app will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on the install button. After the Wise app is completely downloaded and installed onto your device, an open button will appear. Go ahead and open it up. As you can see on my screen, the Wise app is loading and will open up in a few seconds. Now to log in to the Wise app, go ahead and click on the login button on the bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on the login button, you'll be guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on this login button. Once you click on the login button and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to your Wise app account. You can also log in through Google, Facebook or Apple by simply clicking on their respective logos on the bottom of the screen. I hope this video helped you to download and log in to the Wise app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.